Good quality smartphone audio makes a world of difference in your day-to-day mobile use. A recent consumer study has revealed that Indians prioritize audio quality in their smartphone purchase over camera and battery. It not only helps us have a more immersive and deeper connection with the content, but also amplifies our overall user experience. Today, most of us consume music or podcasts on our smartphones, which is why in today's Dolby Experience with Gadgets 360, I want to share with you some tips on how you can get the best audio experience on your phone with Dolby Atmos. So, let's begin. Ever wanted to discover surprising new details in the music you love? Look no further. With Dolby Atmos, you get a full range of sound with a realistic audio experience as compared to a conventional stereo mix. Your favorite artists can now use Dolby Atmos to create music that is heard and felt all around you. Songs in Dolby Atmos draw you closer to your favorite artists and you feel like you're inside the song. No matter what you're listening to, your songs are now more richer and fuller, unlocking new levels of emotion. Whether you're listening to music at home or on the go, you can experience the difference through leading streaming services and a wide range of compatible smartphones in the market. Some of the top artists in the music industry create music using Dolby Atmos technology. It not only allows them to have an emotional connect with the listeners, but also fully deliver their creative intent so that you can experience true fidelity audio.
Hi, this is Ehsan. Listening to my music in Dolby Atmos has been almost like a life-changing experience for me. The separation, the ambience, the clarity. Once you've heard music in Dolby Atmos, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to go back to listen to music in stereo.
Gone are the days when you would be loading your smartphone with thousands of songs and audio content. Now, it's all streaming. While Hungama Music offers tailored Bollywood playlists in Dolby Atmos, Apple Music users can also enjoy multiple featured playlists in Dolby Atmos. Songs can now be heard and felt all around you, unlocking new levels of emotion no matter what genre you're listening to. Since a lot of podcast creators use Dolby Atmos to bring their stories to life, it's always good to have Dolby Atmos support on your smartphones. Earshot streams some of its signature podcasts in Dolby Atmos. This is storytelling combined with sound that is close to what you would hear in the real world. It's a podcast experience so true to life, the lines between imagination and reality start to blur. Be it podcasts or music, Dolby Atmos transports the listener more deeply into the world and lives of the characters in a story and offers unparalleled clarity and depth for your favorite songs. And it's not just me, but many others have something similar to say about Dolby Atmos.
Dolby Atmos is actually very clear.
It puts me into the middle of the action.
It is magical actually.
Be it in my home theater or in my mobile, it always gives me a good and realistic feeling that I'm actually, at that place and listening to your music.
Very soothing to the ears. I can really pick out the instruments and the high-lows of the music.
It takes me into the groove, it takes me into the mood, and I really like listening to music when I'm listening to music on Dolby Atmos.
I think all in all, if I have to just say it in one sentence, it's just eargasmic.
And for this out-of-the-world experience, make sure you buy a Dolby Atmos-enabled smartphone, which is available across various price segments. Pick the right music streaming app and choose content that supports Dolby Atmos. This was Experience Dolby with Gadgets 360 and I hope you find these tips helpful because we want you to experience breathtaking audio and get the best out of your hardware. This is Cyrus signing off and remember, for everything tech, log on to gadgets360.com.